In this video, I will show you how to add a payment method on Snapchat ads. So to do this, just go to your Snapchat ad manager and in the top left, go to the manage ads section, and from there you just want to go to billing and payments under business. Now from there, it should take you directly to your payment methods. And from within your payment methods, if you don't have one yet, it won't show any, but you just want to go and click on new payment method. And then from there you can select any of these options. So you can do a credit card, you can connect your PayPal account, you can apply for credit, or you can prepay. Just select whichever payment method you want to add and enter in your details and choose which ad account you want to link to this payment method. And after doing that, you can then click on Create Payment Method in the top right, and you will then have added a new payment method. So that's how to add a payment method on Snapchat ads. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.